Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this?
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another interesting tech review video. Today we are checking out the Tribit StormBox Blast 2, a portable Bluetooth speaker with a big sound and a lot of special and unique party features, from karaoke support to dynamic LED RGB lighting. Wow! Well, let's see if it delivers the powerful performance it promises. But before I start the review, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. The Tribit StormBox Blast 2 brings impressive audio power. When plugged in, it reaches a peak of 200 watts. This powerful output is driven by an 80-watt subwoofer, dual 45-watt mid-range drivers, and two 15-watt silk dome tweeters, creating a sound profile that makes each beat and melody stand out with crystal clarity. Its 2.1 channel design, powered by Texas Instruments amplifiers, results in an audio experience that's both balanced and rich in depth, with clear highs, detailed mids, and resonant lows. Dual passive radiators further enhance the bass, giving the sound a punchy, deep quality that's perfect for both music and movies. Even on battery, it provides 180 watt, making it more than capable of delivering impactful sound for gatherings and outdoor events. This speaker's audio intensity truly sets it apart as a choice for those who value immersive sound.
She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you whole before you know it, your control.
The Stormbox Blast 2 offers more than just music playback. It brings karaoke fun to the forefront, with professional grade karaoke options, including adjustable reverb effects. It allows for a more personalized vocal sound.
I never knew he was obsessional, and I never knew he was with you. Baby, he feels just wonderful.
Compatible with both wired and wireless microphones, the speaker welcomes multiple users to jump in and enjoy. The dual 6.35mm microphone inputs allow individual volume adjustment for each mic, making it ideal for duets and group sing-alongs. This karaoke functionality transforms any event into a lively, interactive experience.
I'll just have to say goodbye.
With an IP67 waterproof rating, the Stormbox Blast 2 is built to handle all kinds of outdoor conditions, offering protection from splashes, dust, and even full submersion in water. This rugged design makes it an ideal choice for pool parties, beach outings, and hikes, adding flexibility to its usage. Equipped with a sturdy carry handle, it's easy to bring along to any location, ensuring hassle-free transport. Built to endure, this speaker is a dependable option for active lifestyles, maintaining consistent audio quality wherever it goes.
In your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong.
Okay, the Tribit StormBox Blast 2 adds a visual flair with RGB lighting that syncs perfectly to the beat, creating a vibrant, engaging effect for any party or event. With three different lighting moods, it's simple to pick a mood that suits the vibe and atmosphere. This interactive lighting element enhances the mood, making it a unique addition to social events. With up to 30 hours of battery life, the Stormbox Blast 2 is built to keep music and lights going strong, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment for extended gatherings. The Tribit app gives users full control over their audio and visual experience with the StormBox Blast 2. Through the app, users can adjust equalizer settings, choosing between modes like X3D, X-Bass, and audiobook, or creating custom sound profiles. The app also provides options to customize RGB effects, offering three modes to match any mood. Additional controls for volume and playback make the app a valuable tool, enhancing the speaker's versatility for a personalized experience. Okay, in summary, the Tribit StormBox Blast 2 packs some serious audio power and some unique special features like extended battery life, waterproofing, and customizable RGB lighting. Its karaoke function and deep bass make it perfect for outdoor gatherings and parties. Well, as usual, I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this Tribit StormBox Blast 2. But before that, yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
He's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty lighter. You should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake. She's moving closer. Cause she's a itty bitty spider with
I know that it's hopeless, but we'll all be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white.